Hello students, welcome to your online lectures. We have already started studying the English portion according to your syllabus of the first unit test. We have already finished the two chapters earlier, and today we are going to start with the third chapter. I hope you all are having fun and enjoying while studying English, okay, through this online teaching and learning process that we have already started. Okay, so let us just begin the third chapter of your portion. Chapter number 3, My Breakfast. Softy and Bingo are dogs. Is their breakfast different from us? Okay. In this chapter, we are going to study about the eating habits, or what do the dogs, okay, and the different animals, and what do we eat, and whether there is a difference in the food items, okay, in the food stuff that they eat and that what we have. Okay, so we have three characters over here. We have Softy, Bingo, and we have Pooja. Okay, Softy and Bingo both are dogs, and we are going to see what does Softy have for his breakfast, what do we have or Pooja has in breakfast, and what does Bingo have in breakfast. Okay, I hope you all, all of you do your breakfast early in the morning and then sit for your lectures. Okay, they always say that a healthy breakfast is very important in the morning, right? So, not only for animals but also for us, right? So, we should have a very healthy breakfast in the morning. Okay, let us read now. Softy, I have milk for breakfast. I like it. Okay, what does Softy eat? Softy has, milk in the morning. Right? I think so. Even we have milk in the morning. Everyone should have, okay, milk in the morning. It's very good for our bones. Okay, it gives us a lot of calcium. So we should also have milk. Okay. Okay. What does Bingo have? Okay, let us see what does Bingo has for his breakfast. Softy has milk for breakfast. I have rice and meat. I love it. Okay, so Softy, what does he have? He has only milk, okay, for his breakfast. Whereas Bingo, he eats rice and meat. What is meat? Meat is, whether you eat meat of, like chicken or mutton, okay, all that is called as meat, right? So what does he have? He has rice along with meat, and he loves to eat for that breakfast. Now the third character that we have is Pooja. What does Pooja have? Let us see that. Can you see over here in the image? In the image, I think so, looking at the image, you can make out what all she has on her table. There is butter, there is bread, and there is jam, correct? So I think so even you all eat bread, butter and jam for your breakfast. I think few of you all might be getting the same, okay, tiffin and all. Also in the tiffin also you get bread, butter and jam sometimes for school, correct? So yeah, what does she say? She says, I have toast with butter and jam. I like it. Okay, so what she does is she toasts her bread, and what does she do? She applies butter and jam on it, and then she has it for her breakfast. Okay, so over here we studied about two or three, okay, different people. Okay, you can say one is Softy, the other one was Bingo, and the third one was Pooja. And all these three characters that we studied about, they have different things, okay, for their breakfast. But if you go to see nearly, okay, we also eat like the same thing, but you can't say that we eat the same thing for our breakfast. They all these three people have a different type of breakfast. Okay, one only has milk, one only has rice and meat, and the other one has bread, butter, and jam. Correct. So, but if you go to see all our meals, okay, comprises of all these things. If you say your for your lunch or your dinner, you have rice. Okay, people who are non-vegetarians, they also eat meat, and we like to eat butter and we like to drink milk. All of that. Okay, now let us solve question and answers. Let's read and find facts. Okay, question number 1 is select the correct words from the tree and use them in the blanks. Okay, so there are few fill in the blanks, sorry, given over here. And in that you have to choose few words from this tree that you can see. There are few words in the tree which is given, which is related to the story that we just studied. Okay, related to the chapter that we just studied about Softy, Bingo, and Pooja. So we need to see which one has what in their breakfast and fill them properly. Okay. So the words are, what are the options that they have given in the tree? That is jam, butter, meat, rice, milk, and toast. Okay. Now we'll start solving the first blank. Pooja likes dash with dash and dash. Okay. So what did we study about Pooja? What does she eat? She eats toast, butter, and jam. Okay, so how we will complete the blank? We will write Pooja likes toast with butter and jam. Okay, second, Bingo has dash and dash for breakfast. Okay, so from the tree you can pick up two words. If you remember the story, you will already know the answer. You wouldn't even require the options. So Bingo has rice and meat for breakfast. Very good. Third one. Okay, Softy has dash in the morning. What does Softy like? She likes milk. Okay, so Softy has milk in the morning. Now, question number 2. Pooja does not have rice and meat for breakfast because they have given you four options over here, and the proper one you have to put a tick mark on. Okay, A option is they are not sweet. Second is they are heavy. Third is, or the C one is, she has rice and meat for lunch. And the D one is, she likes toast and jam. Okay, so the correct option is that she likes, who she, meaning Pooja likes to eat toast and jam. That's why she does not eat rice and meat. Okay, okay. Question number 3. Let's speak. Say these words aloud. Notice how they rhyme. Okay, so over here we are going to learn how to pronounce this word and how do we write it. Okay, so it's a. Okay, how do you pronounce it? It's a. Okay, it is, the first word is cat, then there is bat, bat, tap, tap, cap, rat, rat, hat, hat, map, map, nap, nap. The a, okay, the sound of a is coming. So these are the few words, okay, that you need to study, learn how to pronounce them, and you're going to write them five times for your homework. Okay, now let us begin with the grammar part now. Okay, in this grammar part we are going to study how and when do we use has and have. Form 6 different sentences from this table and write them down. Notice the word in the column A with which have has are used. Okay, so they have given you three columns over four columns over here. We need to make sentences from here. Okay, so always remember when you're talking about you know uh, say like a particular person. Okay, like a second person that you're talking about, you're not talking about yourself, but you're talking about a second person, about someone in a singular form meaning it's just one person that you're talking about. That is when you will use has. Okay, but when you talk about yourself or in the plural form meaning about more than two people or a group of people, okay, that is when you will use have. Okay, and then you got understood the difference. Now we'll start solving. I'm just going to read it out to you, but make sure that you write these sentences in your book. Now the first one we are going to make is Raj has tea in the morning. Okay, now Raj, you're not talking about yourself, you're talking about a second person, about someone, and you're talking about that person in a singular form meaning it's only one person you're talking about. So you're going to use what? Has. Okay, Raj has tea in the morning. Second is Asha's father has, okay, coffee in the morning. Okay, you can write like that. Asha's father has coffee in the morning. Again, Asha's father, We're just talking about Asha's father, who's just one. Okay, you will use has. Ravi's mother has milk in the morning. Okay, so again, singular person, so that you will use has. Now you can also change the sentences according to whatever preference you want to give. Example, I can also write Raj has milk in the morning. I can write Asha's father has tea in the morning. I can also write Ravi's mother has coffee in the morning. Okay, so you can select it in that way also. Coming back to the second column, that is I, we, and my friends. I, when I'm talking about myself, we, I'm talking about someone in a plural form, and my friends, again, because it is S in the end of the friends, meaning I'm talking about more than one friend of mine, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, anything. Okay, so what will I use? I will use have. I can write I have, okay, cereals in the morning. We have buttermilk in the morning. My friends have fruits in the morning. Okay, so accordingly, again, you can also change over here. You can write I have fruits in the morning, or we have buttermilk in the morning, or my friends have cereals in the morning. Okay, but make sure that you use the proper has and have properly in the sentences. Question number 5. Okay, this question, okay, what we're going to solve here is a very basic thing that you should know. Okay, that we eat thrice a day, or like in the morning when we get up, then in the afternoon, and then in the night. Okay, and few people also have little snacks or something, with the tea in the evening. Correct. Over here we are going to say, see that what word, okay, correct word do we use for each meal that we have. Okay, but it's in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night. Okay, now the options. Okay, I'll read out the question first. Complete the sentences by using the correct words. Right? Over here, they have given you three options, that is breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Now, let me tell you, breakfast we have it in the morning when we get up. Dinner we eat, okay, of the meal that we eat in the night, okay, is called as dinner. And the meal that we eat in the afternoon is called as lunch. Okay, so how we will complete the sentences? The first one is we have dash in the morning. What do we eat in the morning? Breakfast. Okay, second one is we have dash in the afternoon. As I just explained, what do we eat in the afternoon? The meal that we eat in the afternoon is called as lunch. Third one is we have dinner at night. Okay, the meal that we have at night is called as dinner. Now, question number 6. Okay, you have to see the picture, and looking at the picture, you need to complete, okay, the blank over here and write the correct spelling of the object. Okay, you can see these objects. The first one is apple, second one is ice cream. Ice cream, I think so everybody likes and loves eating ice cream. Then third one is banana. Now you can choose which one is your favorite fruit, okay, whether apple or banana. And the last one is bun. Okay, have an apple. Now, what is the spelling of the apple? It is A double P L E. Second one, have an ice cream. The spelling of ice cream is ICECREAM. So whichever blank I've given you, underline, okay, you have to fill in, and you have to memorize the proper spelling of all these objects. Have a banana. Okay, have a banana. So banana spelling is BANANA. Fourth one is have a bun. BUN, bun. Now, from this thing, okay, you can learn two things. You can also learn the spellings, as well as you can see here that I've like written the sentence and I've used two articles. Now there are three types of articles, that is a, and the. Now, not to go much in detail, okay, I'll just explain you in a quite short and a bit. Okay, you use an, okay, before a word which starts with a vowel. And kids, remember, there are five vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. You all have already studied alphabets, right? A to Z. So out of that alphabet, okay, five alphabets that we have, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called as vowel. Now, always remember, when a sentence or where a word starts with a vowel, you always use A and an before that, and you use A, okay, before a word in a sentence, uh, you know, like A, okay, when it is a consonant. What is a consonant? Apart from this A, E, I, O, U, okay, the other alphabets that you have from A to Z becomes a consonant. So B, okay, C, D, F, M, N, okay, P, all these are called as consonants. So before a word which starts with a consonant, you use what? A. Okay, you can say that B, banana, which is starts with B, okay, is a consonant, so I have used A. Ice cream, I is a vowel, so before that I have used A and an. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Okay, now the seventh one, use E and complete these words. Okay, over here, all these words, wherever there is a blank, you need to use E and complete the spelling. Okay, the first one is tiger, that is Tiger. Then second one is blue, Blue, blue. Third is breakfast, Breakfast, breakfast. Fourth one is rice, Rice, rice. Then fifth one is butter, Butter, butter. Okay. Now, eighth one is use these words in the sentences below. Okay, you need to use these options, and you need to finish the sentences. First one is rice and curry. Okay, then there's vegetables, egg, fruit, and sweets. So first sentence is Rani eats dash and dash at dinner time. She does not eat dash or dash at night. So we can write Rani eats vegetables and egg at dinner time. She does not eat rice and curry or sweets at night. Now, if you see, most of the people do not eat rice in the night or sweets in the night, okay, because rice becomes little, kind of difficult to digest, and do not eat sweet because it kind of remains your it affects your teeth, you can say. Okay, so that's why they do not have sweets in the night. So what does she eat? She eats vegetable and egg at night. Question number 9, that is the last one. Use the words from the box to fill in the blank. Now again, there are options, that is milk, water, tea, coffee, orange juice, buttermilk. Again, there are few sentences given. You can choose any one of them and write. Okay, first one is I drink milk in the morning. I have chose milk over here. Instead of milk, you can also write orange juice in the morning. Okay. Second one is I don't drink coffee in the morning. Okay. You can also write I don't drink orange juice in the morning, or I don't drink tea in the morning, or I don't drink buttermilk in the morning. Okay. Third is I drink tea in the evening. Okay. Now you can also write that I drink coffee in the evening rather than writing tea. Fourth is I don't drink buttermilk in the evening. Now I hope you know what is buttermilk. I'll tell you. Buttermilk is chas. Okay, if you don't know, then chas is called as buttermilk in English. Okay, I hope you'll have understood the chapter. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed watching the slide and the presentation and studying. Your homework is going to be that everything that you have seen in the slide so far, right from everything, okay, you need to write all the question and answers, the grammar part that we did, everything you need to write and solve it in your notebook. Please maintain a English notebook and write everything down over there. Okay, and practice to read the chapter. Remember the characters that we studied, that were two dogs and one you know um, Pooja, that was a person that we had. Okay, so please remember that. Remember the story as well. and read all these things properly. And please practice writing the words that we said about, cap and hat and map and all the three letter, the words that we studied. Please write that down as well and study them properly, and send the homework, okay, personally to me on WhatsApp by 6 p.m. Please send it so that we can mark your attendance accordingly. Thank you for attending today's lecture. Stay home and stay safe. Take care of yourself. Be in good health. Okay. And take care of the people who are around you, your family, and your friends, and everyone. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.